Hi, a little bit of an update on this windy and wet autumnal afternoon. Um, Standards checks and part threes are now back on stream, and I'm getting quite a bit of demand for standards check training. Now, I ran these courses earlier in the year at hotels, but that's a little difficult to organise at the moment with the restrictions on COVID. So what I've done is I've developed some online content, and if you go to my website client-centered learning.co.uk/store, I'll put the address in the link and in a card up at the top. You'll find some online content there that's available to purchase. Now, if you purchase it and you don't feel that it's right for you, or it doesn't tick all the boxes or fit the bill, then there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so nothing to lose really. So do have a look, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, bob@clientcenteredlearning.co.uk, and I'll look forward to talking to you then. Thanks, and bye for now.